at the 10, the 5, dives for the pilot. Touchdown! Great play! Wait a minute. Flag on the play. All the way back at the 25.
All right. All right, Quest. Let's get to work.
This is the Quest 1000, Hoover's new robot vacuum that intelligently senses and adapts to your home for an efficient and thorough clean every time. Advanced lithium-ion technology gives you long-lasting cleaning power while you focus on other things. So the dirt, dust, and pet hair here, or the crumbs here, aren't your problem, no matter your floor type, even on carpets and rugs. Effortless cleaning on your schedule and at your command.
Hi, honey. Wow, you kept the place clean.
The Hoover Quest 1000.